How to fix game not working issue in Mobile Legends. Here's how. First, open the settings app on your mobile device. From there, scroll down until you find the app option and click on it. Then tap on the manage app option. Now in the search bar at the top, type Mobile Legends and open it from the result. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Data. From the menu, select Clear Cache and confirm your action when prompted. This removes temporary files that might be slowing the game. After that, click on Clear Data again and choose Clear All Data. Finally, open the Google Play Store and search for Mobile Legends. Now if you see an update button, click on it to install the latest version. However, if it shows play, it means your game is already fully updated. And that's all. I hope this video helped.